Hello everyone, today we are going to make blog using media.com. Let us see how we are going to do this. First, we have to open www.medium.com. Now we have to click on the right option next to the profile picture. Okay, we have to click on the right option. Yes. Now you have to sign up. If you have an account, you can continue. Otherwise, you have to sign up, and you can sign up with the Google. Now you will get an inner leaf like this. Click on sign up, or if you have an account, you can click on sign in. You can sign up using Google. Now you have to click on any 5 interesting options of yours. Now click on continue. Now you will get an interface like this. Scroll down, don't pay anything, scroll down and continue with the free option. Now click on the right option next to your profile picture and you will get an interface like this. Now you have to give any of the title. As per your wish, you have to give any title, and after that come down and give any description. Now click on story and write the story whatever you wish to. Now you can add some images. Go to Google and search for the image you need. Otherwise you can upload from the desktop which you are having. So I am searching here and uploading the Kanyakumari image. Now how can do image? We have to copy that from there and we have to paste it here wherever you wish to. Click the portion where you want to and copy the image. Now if you want to highlight any particular portion, bold, italic, whatever, select the text and an image will appear. You can bold or italic whatever you wish to. Now if you want to add some websites for the reference, you can do that also. For that you have to visit any website and copy the URL link. Now select the text where you want to insert this URL link. After selecting the text, a pin will appear. You have to click on that pin and paste that link. Now everything is done. So click on publish, the green button. You have to click on that. If you want, you can change the topic also here and then click on publish now. Now your blog will look like this. Your story is published. Now you can share using the copy link to any of your favorite social media, just like WhatsApp or Facebook or anything. Thank you.